Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here I will show you guys how to subtract or add integers using the number lines. There are many ways to add or subtract integer, but for me, using the number line is the most easy way to add, subtract positive, negative number. Alright, I give you an example like that. 3 add 5. Actually, this one is very easy. It's just like you add to natural number. So you know the answer is A, right? 3 add 5 is A. And if you apply on the number line, you will start looking at the first number on the number line. That number 3 right here. Alright. And then you add 5. It means you go to the right side of the number line. Go this way. 5 unit. So we start at number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we stop right here, number A. That symbol like that, A will be the answer for 3 add 5. Alright, the kid can do that easily, but how about this one? 3, you subtract 5. Alright, this one is become a little bit difficult because some kids, they see that the first number is 3, which is smaller than the second number is 5. So they say we cannot do the subtract in this case. But for the older kid, like in 6 or 7 grade, they will know that math is the subtract of the integer number. The integer should be either positive or negative. So come back to the number line. We will see the first number, which is 3 on the number line right here. And now subtract. So we must go to the left of the number line. Right? We go to the left. How many units? 5 units. So we start at 2. We go to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. And we stop at this number. That is the answer. Negative 2. 4, 3, take away 5. It's simple, right? How about this one? Negative 2 and then subtract 4. Okay? Apply the same method. We will find where is negative 2 on the number line. Negative 2 is right here. And we look at the next one is subtract. So we must go to the left. And we go 4 units. Alright, so we looking at the left side of negative 2, which is negative 3, and we go to the left 4 more. So we start here 1, 2, 3, 4, and we stop at negative 6. Simple enough. Negative 6 is the answer for negative 2. Take away negative 4. One more example here. Negative 3, and then you add 6. Okay, so we will look for where is negative 3 on the number line, which is right here. And add mean go to the right 6 unit. Okay, so we started here, negative 3, and we go to the right. Negative 3 is negative 2. We go 6 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we stop at number 3. So number 3 is the answer for negative 3 add 6. But in some realistic math, people don't give you like simple problem like this. Normally they will give you add or subtract integer with the parentheses. So you must know how to remove the parentheses. I give you an example. For example, they give you negative 2 and then add negative 6. Okay, so in this case we must apply the rule to remove the parentheses. So we will look at the sign in front of the parentheses and the sign inside the parentheses. Okay, here is the rule. Add become add. Okay, add minus become minus. minus add become minus, and minus minus become as. Okay, so in a simple way to test that is this: if the two sides in front of the parenthesis and the one that right after the parenthesis, this one and this one, are the same sign, this means they both positive or they both negative. So when you remove the parenthesis, the sign become positive, and vice versa. Or if the two sides in front and right after the parenthesis are different, one plus, one minus, so when you remove the parenthesis, it become negative. All right. So let's start practice this one. So -2, we just write again, and add and minus, different size, add minus. It's become minus, and then 6. All right. So now it's become simple again. To do this math, we look at -2 on the number line, which is right here, and subtract means we go to the left, 6 units right here. So we start here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we stop at -a. The -a is the answer for this math. Okay, I give you another one. So -3, and they put in parentheses, and they subtract -5. All right, equal this one. First, we remove the parentheses. If we don't see no sign over here, right, it means an add. So add, subtract, become subtract -3, and then subtract, the same size, so it's become add 5. So now become easy. We look at -3 on the number line, which is right here, and then add, this means go to the right 5 unit. So we start at -2. Remember to start at -2, not -3, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we stop at number 2. That's the answer. Simple enough, right? Okay, I give you one more here. 6 add -6. Oh, that's special, huh? Alright, but don't worry, we just follow the rule. Number 6, we write again. Now we remove the parentheses. Add minus, different size. It becomes -6. Simple enough. 6 take away 6 is 0. Okay, so remember the sign. When we remove the parentheses, it's very important. If the sign in front and after the parentheses are different, so it's become negative. All right, the sum. And when they are the same, it become positive. Very easy. Okay, remember when you apply, when you use the number line to do the add or subtract integer, we must remove all the parentheses. Otherwise, this method does not work. All right, here, let me put one more example with the negative and then subtract negative, and a little bit difficult with the calculation, so that you guys can have an idea of removing the parentheses and then apply the number lines to add or subtract the integers. All right, so here we have, let me give you this one, -5, and then subtract, and then -4. Oh, they are negative. But don't worry, just follow the rule. First of all, we remove the parentheses. -5, we write again. Here we look at the sign in front and after the parentheses. They both negative, so they are the same sign. When we remove the parentheses, it become positive. So -5 add 4. That's it. Alright, so we look at the number line. We see -5 right here, and then add is meaning we go to the right more, right? Go to the right. So 4 unit, we start at -4, not -5. We started right here, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4. We stop at -1. That is the answer of the math. Alright guys, thank you. You like this video? Helpful? Please subscribe to my channel. Talk to you later.